We're going to start with level 1, the box method. And the first step is always to make one box of every formula. And then I do an atom count. Sometime later you'll be able to do this in your head. But right now I'm going to show you how to write it down and keep track. So on the reactant side I have 2 H's and 2 O's. Product side, 2 H's, 1 O. It's my oxygen that isn't balanced. I have 2 here and only 1 here. So I go to the side that I have less of. I only have 1 oxygen on the product side, and I'm going to draw another box. And then I like to update my inventory. So now we have 2 oxygen and 4 hydrogen. Hydrogen was balanced, but now it's not. And that happens sometimes. So right now oxygen is good. We want to try to not mess with that. We've got to go to the reactant side because this is where I don't have enough hydrogen. And I'm going to add another box. That gives me 4. And now hydrogen's good and oxygen is still good. Count the boxes. 2, 1, 2. In our next example, we start with the box of each substance. Reactant, I have 2 H's and 2 Cl's. Product, 1 H, 1 Cl. I look at reactant and product side. I'm going to go to product because that's where I don't have enough. I'm going to look at just one element right now. I'm going to compare hydrogen. So I know I need 2. Just write one more box. Now we have 2 hydrogen. We have 2 chlorine, and we fixed chlorine while we were fixing hydrogen. And so now everything's even. We've got 1, 1, 2. In the third example, draw a box of everything. And I would encourage you, if you think you might know how to do this, go ahead and pause the video and try it on your own. We've got 1 aluminum, 3 fluorine, 1 and 2. So it's my fluorine that is not even. I go to the side that I only have 2. Now what I'd really like to do is just add 1 F, but I'm not allowed to do that. I have to duplicate the formula as it is. So that gives me 4. It's still not balanced, so I'm going to go to the side where I only have 3, and I'm going to duplicate that formula. Update. I've got 6 F's and 2 AL's. So I'm getting really close because if I go back to the product side, if I just draw one more box of F2, now we're at 6. Now F is balanced. I'm going to check AL. AL was balanced, but I now have 2 over here. So I just need to add another box on the product side, and now AL is good. Count my boxes. 2, 2, and 3. Alright, final example of the box method. We've got NaMgO, products Na2O, and Mg. We've got 1 of everything on the reactant side, and the products, 2 NAs, 1 O, and 1 Mg. So I'm going to pick Na because here I have 1 and here I have 2. I'm going to go to the side that I only have 1, add another Na, and now Na is good. Mg, both sides have 1. O, both sides have 1. So this one is 2, and everything else just has 1.